Hi, notice anything different? You see, I cut my hair already. Actually, I trim my hair, but I'll be showing you how I trim my hair in this video. So don't forget to watch it. Okay, see you. Hi, welcome to my channel. I'm Kamal. Okay, today what I'm going to show you is how to cut your hair using this trimmer. This is from uh, Jimmy. Not sponsored by Jimmy. This is my own. I'm using the so-called brand called Jimmy. Okay, uh, to trim my hair, basically to cut most of my hair lah. It's a cordless trimmer. It's a professional hair clipper lah, so-called. Okay, so I'm going to show you how to use this uh, during MCO because it's kind of lockdown. So during lockdown, you can't go to any barber and something like that or hairdresser. Then you can use this to trim your hair. Okay, let's start now. Okay, the first thing is you need to select which thickness that you want. Okay, I'm using the thickest. There will be, if I'm not mistaken, like 1 cm something, 1 cm or 4 millimeter. I think it's around 4 millimeter. Sorry, 1 cm. So, okay, let me put the box down first. Okay, so just put it here, and you're ready to cut your hair. By the way, I'm using this garbage bag. I'm just cut it for my neck and my arms. Okay, let's start now. One, see things that I would show you in my channel, which not that many people would like to do so. Okay, let's see. One, two, three. Okay. You just slide it all the way because the thickness is quite okay. Just slide it. The trimmer or the clipper will cut your hair based on the size that you have adjusted with the wheels. Okay, you have the option either to uh, what do they call it? I forgot already. But I'm using this minimum one. So the minimum, it's, I think, the, how shall we say, the blade distance from this part to the actual blade, it's quite near. Okay, just slide it through. Since I'm sliding, I just want to tell you that this trimmer is wireless, so you need to charge it via the USB cable that we have given. You charge it for like a few hours. Okay, it's more or less, see, it's quite simple. You don't need to go to your barber or hairdresser. You want to cut your hair, just use this, and it won't take you like very long, just a few minutes will do. You may need someone actually to adjust your back, but if you trust yourself, you can just cut it until there's no more hair to cut. Until you can see like no hair dropping after you slide it. Minutes is quite sufficient. As long as there's hair, you just need to slide and slide and slide until there's no hair falling down. There's no more hair falling out. See, it's quite simple. Now you can see the difference. All kind of smooth. All very smooth. I need to crack. I need to trim my beard also. Okay. Now, for beard, this should be quite enough. Or if you want it like shorter, there are several options in thickness. So you just choose whichever you want. I'm using the thickest one, like I said just now. So that's more or less. See, only a few minutes, not even half an hour or so. You're going to hairdresser and take you a while. Cut all the necessary. The rest you can trim in your bathroom with shaver, especially on this part. But just for the sake of trimming, I think that's more than enough. See, all like very smooth, smooth and basically all within the thickness that you wanted. As I said, you may need someone especially to trim your back, but I can do most of it myself. So it seems the back still have some more hair to cut. Okay, now more or less done, except for this part. I'll trim later and some of this part. But trust me, this is a very useful gadget in which you may need it, especially during this COVID lockdown, where you don't have time or you can't go to the nearest barber or hairdresser. So I'm using Jimmy. This is a Jimmy brand. One fully, it's like one fully charged. You can use for like 4 to 5 times. Okay, that will be all. I'll catch you guys later in my next video. In the meantime, don't forget to click, share, and subscribe to my channel. Okay, till next time. Bye.